me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night.
Well, this cake was good. As you can see, there's only 2 pieces left.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a chocolate sour cream bundt cake, and I'm making this for my daughter's birthday tomorrow. And she's seen it on Facebook or YouTube or somewhere, and she told me all the ingredients in it, and so she wanted me to make it for her, so that's what I'm doing. And I hope everyone is having a great day today. And so these are the ingredients in my cake. It's devil's food cake mix, chocolate instant pudding, sour cream, eggs, and there's going to be some water in it, granola oil, Hershey's chocolate syrup, some mini chocolate chips, vanilla flavoring, and I use this Baker's Joy to spray my bundt pan with. So let me get started on this cake before it gets too hot here in Georgia. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is add my cake mix in. If I can get it out of the package. Okay. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is add in my chocolate instant pudding. And this recipe will be in the description below. Okay. Get this out of the way. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is add in my eggs, and this is 4 eggs. And I'm going to add in my oil, my vanilla flavoring, my chocolate syrup, I'm going to add in my water, and add in my sour cream. Okay, I'm going to stop just for a minute and scrape down my sides. Okay, now I'm going to add in my chocolate chips, and this is a cup. Let me get a paper towel to lay my beater on. Okay. I'm going to fold these in. I think I have those all mixed up in there now. So I'm going to pour this batter in my spray pan. I'm going to have to start going to the gym. I need a good workout holding these bows. They're heavy. Maybe I can do it this way.
You did a good job on it, Ray.
I think I'm going to need to start lifting weights.
I know they're heavy. If you need me to, I can come over and help you hold it.
No, that's sweet of you, but I'm just exaggerating a little bit.
When you did that recipe earlier in the week,
Yeah, and that was
that
really,
pan was extremely heavy.
yes. I notice a lot of our YouTubers, they look like that they lift weights. So they can really handle those pans good. Okay.
Made it real thick.
It did. I'm going to get a spoon, see if I can straighten it out in there a little bit better. Get that a little bit off right there. My daughter is a really good cook, so she must have really liked this recipe that I'm making here for her to want me to make it for her birthday. I usually make her the Paula Deen strawberry cake, and if y'all hadn't seen that recipe on our channel, go check it out and see if you'd want to make that one, because that one's really good too.
I'll put a link in the description to the Paula Deen strawberry cake.
Okay. All right. Okay. I don't want an uneven cake since I'm having to carry this to somebody's house for a birthday. Okay. I do believe this side right here is just a little low from this side. Okay. This cake mixed up really good and easy. Okay. All right. I've got my cake batter in my pan now, and so I'm going to cook it at 325 for about 50 to 70 minutes. But I will be keeping my eye on it because of my oven. It cooks too high sometimes. Okay, so I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, my bundt cake just came out of the oven. It's been cooking for about 50 minutes. And so I'm going to let it cook 20 minutes before I get it out of the bundt pan, and probably let it cool to the touch before I ice it. Alright, my cake has been cooling for about 20 minutes, and I put it on this cake pan, and so let me see how it's going to come out. Oh wow, that's good. I'm going to let this cool to the touch, and then I'll be back and ice it. Alright, my cake has cooled off now, so it's ready to be frosted. And this, like I said before, is the cake that I'm going to carry to my daughter's house, so I won't be doing the taste test. Unfortunately, I have to wait until tomorrow.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me.
Okay. I had to get some more icing.
When you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we
Okay, I have my icing on my bundt cake, and it's not a professional job, but I did the best I could, and so I give myself a 10 for trying anyway. So anyway, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to be carrying it, like I said, to my daughter's house, and we'll enjoy it regardless of the cake decorating. So this is what it looks like. So anyway, so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
do. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that.
Well, this cake was good. As you can see, there's only 2 pieces left.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thanks, Mom and Daddy, for making it for me.
You say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you.